Hey, 17 Hats members. If your documents are going out looking a little too plain for your tastes, a header image is a simple way to make them feel a little more you. Document header images are global, meaning one image is applied across all of your 17 Hats documents. And remember, when we say documents in 17 Hats, we're talking about quotes, contracts, invoices, and questionnaires. To get started, head to Account Settings, then Brand Preferences, then click the Images tab. Scroll to the Global Header Images section to see your image gallery. If there aren't any images in your gallery, that's because you haven't uploaded any yet. To upload an image, click the green Upload Image button. Then drag and drop your image file or browse to find it. The recommended size is 2731 by 527 pixels, which is a wide banner-style crop, and the maximum file size is 5 megabytes, so keep that in mind. Once your image is uploaded, you can crop it by clicking the pencil icon to open the editor. Get it right here because once you save the image to your gallery, the crop editor is no longer available, which means if you need to recrop later, you'll need to remove the image and start over. When you're happy with the crop, click Save to add it to your gallery. Now click the green Select Header Image button. A Select option will appear below each image in your gallery. Click Select under the image you want to use. Your header image is now live on all of your documents immediately. By default, 17 Hats also displays your logo on documents. If your header image already includes your logo, you probably don't want it showing up twice, and that's why there's a toggle that says Remove Logo from Documents. Toggle that on, and the logo won't appear separately. If you ever want to swap out your header image, just click the red Remove Header Image button and repeat the process with a new image. If you ever want to clear an image out of your gallery entirely, use the red Remove Images button to select and delete individual images. If the image you're deleting is currently your active header image, 17 Hats will ask you to confirm before removing it from all your documents. A well-branded document takes just a few seconds to set up and can help extend your brand messaging into the sometimes less exciting parts of your client experience. So go set up your header image and make your documents look as good as the work behind them. The work's behind me, isn't it?